Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Aaron, or AyAy. If you haven't caught on by now, that's going to be a thing, with Average Hero. And I just wanted to share this short video with you about changing out my license plate frame. So I've discovered that on a previous car, the typical license plate frames are, they're a little bit cheap. This one's just plastic. This is from the dealership. Great dealership, by the way. Alfano Motor Cars in San Luis Obispo. Jorge was the guy who hooked me up with this beautiful car. I recommend them. Great dealership. Anyways, my previous car, like I've mentioned in previous videos, was a 4Runner, and behind the license plate frame, it started really chewing up the paint as it was rattling a lot, and I don't want that to happen to my Camaro. So I've researched a little bit, and I have found this silicone frame, kind of like plate, that sits against the car, won't damage the paint. It's pretty soft. It's also very minimal in the appearance, so I do like that. It is from Rightcar Solutions, so I'll see if I can, let's see. I'll link it below either way, but I got it off Amazon, and so we'll go ahead and get this on. Yeah, so what I can see here, and I'll bring the camera up a little bit closer, but there's actually indentations in the bumper here. It hasn't pierced the paint yet, but a bunch of little indentations behind the license plate. It doesn't look good at all. So hopefully the other plate will cover that pretty well. But let me show you a close-up of what that looks like. So you can see those indentations right there. I don't know what that's from, actually. I mean, it doesn't really look like it's from the license plate frame, the dealership license plate frame. But regardless, I don't want to accentuate that anymore. So we're gonna get this other silicone plate on here. So it's silicone. So this is the back, and it actually has like a lip that the license plate tucks into. I don't know if you can see that at all, but all around. So that'll be kind of cool. Now it's just a matter of getting license plate into that. One thing to note that I just noticed, and so there is a top and a bottom, I would assume, to this this silicone plate frame, and I would guess because if you can see, there's like some slits in the bottom of this frame. So I'm guessing if there's any water, it would drain out of the bottom. So that's kind of a cool, just little added thing. Well, Average Heroes, that's pretty much it. I like it. It's pretty minimal. I like that it's not going to damage the paint behind my license plate now. I like that it's got some drain holes, so when I wash my car, it's not going to hold water in under the license plate frame. The only thing I'm curious about is, because it is silicone, I do live in the desert. It can get very hot here, and the longevity of this. heat here likes to dry out any form of rubber pretty quickly. So we'll see how long that's gonna last. But otherwise, I think it's great. I'm gonna put the link down below on where you can get that from Amazon. It's around $20, $22 or so with shipping, depending on where you're at. Please comment below if there's something that you like or that you've used, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for those of you that have. Thank you for commenting on previous videos. I love to read that, what your take is, what car you have. Sharing tips with me I think is awesome. But also Average Hero Garage, Home, Kitchen, and Bar. Check out some of those other videos. I got some bar videos posted and we'll have some more coming. Everybody be safe, have a great day, enjoy your weekend. I'll talk to you later.